what I want you to do is, I know you guys have a few subscribers that should be on the call. So just let me give you 2 minutes only, 2 minutes for you to just drop a message, send a reminder to your team member, existing members that need to be on the call so they could hear and they could be alert of what is happening with the transition. So it's currently 3:03, so about 3:05, 3:06 the latest. We'll start very sharp. So please take the next 2 minutes or 1 minute thereabout and just get someone in the room, okay? Okay, friends, I think you had a quick minute there. So without further ado, let's commence. Let's go right ahead and get the ball rolling. This young man that I'm going to introduce to you is very versed in the world of cryptocurrency. His knowledge is extremely wide. He's living in the USA as we speak right now. I just met him recently, and I could tell you he has grown very rapidly in my eyes as a person that's astute and know exactly what they're doing and how to do it. I've been impressed by his presentation because he does his best to be clear and concise. And I want to turn over to our marketing manager for ILabs, Mr. Ben. Are you there, sir?
Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Good day, everybody.
Excellent.
Thank you, Mr. King. All right, welcome to Icarus. A warm welcome to Icarus Labs, everybody. My name is Ben, and I'm the marketing manager of ILabs. Okay, so basically, ILabs, we are a fintech research company that specializes in developing AI systems that is able to trade in different currencies and financial platforms. Okay, so what is SEC? Let me share with everyone here the importance of SEC and how ILabs is related to them. So SEC stands for United States Securities and Exchange Commission. It is an independent federal agency that regulates the offer and sales of all securities, including those offered by and sold by private companies. So the whole purpose of SEC here is to protect the investors, and their job is to maintain a fair, orderly, and efficient market. It is currently headed by 5 commissioners appointed by the President of the United States. So to put it in short, SEC has the power and the authority to open and shut any exchanges. It is one of the biggest financial governing body in the world, and here are some articles and press releases of SEC. So now that you know how reputable and credible SEC is, I'm proud to inform you that Icarus Labs is registered with the SEC. So to find out more, simply head to SEC's website and search for Icarus Labs Limited. During the soft launch of our 3 AI bots, we have garnered attention from the media and press to release articles on our tech and basically what we do. So as seen on the slides, we are on a couple of popular online platforms like Yahoo Finance, Business Insider, and other platforms. So to get our name out there, we will also be planning offline coverages like events, seminars in the upcoming months to boost our tax awareness. So at ILabs, we only have one mission, which is to revolutionize AI trading within all financial platforms. So Icarus Labs, we are here to be game changers. ILabs, we prioritize security in our technology. We have safety measures and stop loss protocols for our AI bots, ensuring transaction integrity and maximum profits. So at ILabs, our bots are not just static tools, but dynamic companions, which equips investors with reliable tools to always stay ahead of the market's trends. So with cutting-edge technology combined with advanced algorithms, our AI bots are continuously learning and evolving to any market situation. We also have diverse product offerings, like our different campaigns and our 3 AI bots, Zeta, Nix, and Atlas, to always keep the market interested in our products. So this man you see here, his name is Mr. Adam Claremont. He is the CEO and brains behind Icarus. He is a visionary leader who is out to break the rules and norm of how financial trading should be. So with Mr. Adam at the helm and the forefront of ILabs, we believe our AI tech will become a pioneering force in the financial world. So Icarus Labs at a glance, our bots are able to ensure stable, consistent, and high returns. We are transparent, where all reports and trade data will be published to our members for viewing. So with AI technology, we are able to mitigate the risk of loss and increase our win rate. Okay, so now it comes to the exciting part, our tech, introducing our 3 AI bots, Zeta, Nix, and Atlas. So some of you might ask, why do we have 3 different bots in our arsenal? Simply put, to target different market conditions. So this ensures that no matter which way the market is moving, we are always making a profit. Okay, so introducing Zeta. Zeta uses a high-frequency scalping technique. So Zeta bot performs the best where there are large vertical movements in the market. Okay, by applying the scalping formula, our bot uses a micro trading strategy by aiming to make small profit margins with a high trading volume. So how it works is with the help of big research data and stats that we have, our Zeta bots will study the vertical movements, okay, and carefully scalp to earn profits. By applying advanced trading strategies and algorithms set on Zeta, this will help us improve our profit probability to near 100%. Okay, so on to our second bot, Nix, which employs a 3-way price differential trading strategy. Nix is an all-rounder bot which performs in any market condition as it takes advantage of the price differences in token. So here's how the Nix bot works. So the bot will scan through the exchange for 3 profitable token pairings, okay? The bot will scan and calculate every trading opportunity until a profitable trade is found. So just let me use, oops, sorry, can you all still see my screen?
Yes, I'm seeing the screen. Yes, it's
Yeah,
no problem.
okay. So I think something happened. Okay, yeah, so I would like to use sorry about that. I would like to use the money changer as an example here. Okay, so this is how it works. So first we start off with 100 SGD. Okay, and we move it to, so 100 SGD to 75 USD. That's the first token pairing that we find, and then we move from 75 USD to 69 euros. Okay, this is the second pairing, and the third pairing is 69 euros back to SGD. And why do we move it back to SGD? Simply put, to find out whether we have made a profit for that trade or not. All right, so if we finish off with a profit, what the bot what next will do is next will proceed with that trade. If it's a non-profitable trade, what happens is it will skip. You just keep going on to the next trade. Okay, so here's how so this is our third bot, next, Atlas. Okay, so Atlas bots works best for sideways moving market. It employs a grid trading strategy. Okay, so it's best for short-term or consistent market fluctuations. It is particularly successful when the market is fluctuating within the grid range set by our AI technology. So here is an example of a sideways moving market chart. So as long as the market moves between the support and resistance grid set by our AI bots, we will be earning profits with Atlas. So what's amazing about our Atlas bot too, it's able to adjust the grid range according to market conditions, unlike static bots. Okay, so here is how our campaigns work. So funds in our campaigns will enter a fund deployment bot, which will study the market condition and the individual bot performance. It will then deploy the funds into our 3 bots effectively to fully maximize the campaign's profits. So to conclude again on how each bot works, Zeta here performs the best on vertical moving markets fluctuations, whereas Atlas performs horizontally. Therefore, these two, Zeta and Atlas, they work inversely against each other. And Nix, on the other hand, it's an all-rounder bot that provides consistent profits. So the fund deployment bot here is the brains, and it works on deriving accurate market conditions and adjusting funds towards our 3 bots, Atlas, Nix, and Zeta, to maximize profit. Okay, so here is a roadmap of ILabs. Right now, we are at milestone 2, where we will launch our AI bots, Zeta. We just launched our AI bots, Zeta, Nix, and Atlas. Milestone 3 is where we will focus on international media coverages, such as organizing offline seminars and events. So at the end of the second quarter is where we will initiate the development of the new bot. So for the rest of the third and fourth quarter, we will be focusing on merger and acquisitions by collaborating with broker partnerships and licensing. We will also be preparing the launch of our very own utility token. So 2025 is going to be a very exciting year for us, as we will be officially launching our broker licensing, new bot, and utility token. So after successfully building our assets, we will be listing our token into multiple exchanges, as well as uplisting the company. Okay, so right now I'm going to show everyone here a live demo on how our next bot works. So just let me introduce Gabe. Gabe is the IT, and he will be showing the live demonstration. Okay, so I believe everyone here can see Gabe's screen. So on the left-hand side is our Nix bot trading software, and on the right-hand side is Binance. Again, this is a live demonstration. So on the right-hand side of Binance, you can see we are on the Ethereum page. Okay, so that's the Ethereum current price. I would like to bring your attention towards the open order tab. Okay, why would I want to leave it at open order tab? Is for everyone to see. The moment I start running the bot software, okay, the moment the moment Nix finds a successful tradable transaction or token pairing, what happens is it will move that order, it will instruct Binance to proceed with that trade. So that would then appear on the open order tab. Okay, you will be able to see it on the open order tab as well as on the top right hand side of the Binance page. Okay, so without further ado, maybe we can start the live demonstration. Not to worry if you miss the open order, everything will still appear on the order history. Okay, so as you can see, we have started the bot. Okay, right now, all these tickers that you see here are non-profitable token pairings. So usually it will take us anywhere under 10 seconds to find us a trade. It depends. There's no fixed time amount. It all depends on the trading opportunities within the exchange itself. So let's just give us a couple of seconds and see whether we can find a profitable trade. So all this trading. So right now, Mr. Gabe, our IT, he is using his own laptop to show us this live demonstration. Kindly note that this is different from what happens in our server rooms. And the reason why we have to extract one of the bots for live demonstration purposes is because in the server rooms, the bot runs 24 hours, 7 times a week, 365 days a year, and transactions will always be going on every second, every millisecond, every second. So it will be hard for us to stop the entire trading process. Okay, so now you can see on the top right hand side of the Binance page, we have found a successful transaction. Okay, don't worry if you miss it again. I can always bring it up on the order history. So let me bring your attention to the left hand side of the screen. Okay, onto our Nix software. Okay, so how do we determine a profitable trade? So we get the total price minus the exchange fees, and then if we still make a profit, then we would instruct Binance to proceed with that trade. So right now, we have found 3 successful token pairings. The first one in sequence would be BTC to ELF token. Yeah, so we transacted at the amount of 1235 at a quantity of 170 ELF tokens. Okay, so we started off, we bought it with 20995 0.00209995 BTC. Okay, and the second sequence would be we traded ELF to Ethereum. Okay, same amount of quantity 170. Okay, with a price of 2168 Satoshis at 0.036856 Ethereum. Okay. And then now the third pairing would be to move Ethereum back to BTC to find out whether we have made a profit. Okay, so we took the same amount of Ethereum and we traded to BTC. Okay, so the final BTC that we have is 0.00210,846. So we started off with 20995 BTC, okay, and ended off with 21084 BTC. So I believe that trade took us pretty close to 10 seconds. Now, let me bring your attention again back to the left-hand side of the screen. Okay, I have a simple calculation done here. And for that trade, we made 0.42%. Wow, Very good percentage. 0.426 in 10 seconds. Again, right now, Mr. Gabe is using his own laptop to show us this live demonstration. Yeah, so in our server rooms, you won't see anything like this on the left because again, everything is running consistently 24 hours, 7 times a week. Okay, so thank you for your time, Mr. Gabe. Okay, so just let me share my screen now. I will touch on the rewards plan. Okay, so onto the rewards plan. Here is how you can start earning with Icarus Labs. So our system ticket starts as low as 1,000 USDT, but right now we are having a launch promo going at 500. Earn profits up to 4 times your your ticket value, and with daily returns of up to 7% per day. Lastly, share and receive bonuses from growing your own community. So like I mentioned earlier, we are currently having a launch promo, which is the 500 USD ticket that you see here. Now, just to let everyone know that this is for a limited period only, and it's limited to the first 10,500 tickets sold. Okay, 10,500 USD tickets that sold. Now, depending on your ticket amount, the maximum you can earn, which is your NAV, net asset value, with ILabs is 1.5 times, all the way to 4 times. 4 times is the highest. Okay, so we have 2 different campaigns for you to choose from. S Plus, which has the 3 days duration, with ROI ranging from 0.1 to 1.6% daily, and K Extra, which has a 10 days duration with an ROI of 3 to 7% daily. We will also be launching a new interesting campaign every week, so stay tuned because there's a limit to each campaign. Once the campaigns are filled, you have to wait for the next launch or choose from any other campaigns available. So kindly note that ROI is not fixed per day as it is subjected to trading opportunities and market conditions. Participants will receive their total ROI on the next day following the end of their chosen campaign. So this is an example of how the NAV works. So Jane has purchased a $30,000 ticket, obtaining NAV of 120,000. So she joined the S Plus campaign, which is 3 days and at 5%. So 5% of 30,000 is 1,005. So her remaining amount that she sees in the system, her NAV would be 118,500. So at ILabs, we have 3 streams of bonus rewards for our community builders. First one would be recommendation reward, second, community reward, and third, rank reward. Recommendation reward, or as most of you are more familiar with this term, direct sponsor. It differs to the ticket amount you have. So it ranges from 2% for a $500 ticket all the way to 10% for a $30,000 ticket. So just kindly note that, just to be clear, okay, depending on your ticket amount, okay, the higher your ticket amount, the more percentage you will earn from all our bonuses. So Parker has a 30,000 ticket, which entitles him to a 10% recommendation reward. He refers Jane and she enters 30,000 too. So Parker will receive 10% of 30,000, which is 3,000. On to the next bonus, community rewards. So community rewards, it starts from 3% for 1,000 all the way to 10% for $30,000 ticket. So kindly note that for the promotional 500 USD ticket doesn't qualify for the community rewards bonus. Okay, so same as the recommendation reward bonus, the higher your ticket amount, the more percentage of community rewards you earn. So here's an example. Parker owns a 30,000 ticket, which again entitles him to 10% community rewards. So below him, he has two teams, 1 and 2. Team 1 has 300,000 dollars worth in sales volume, and 2 has 500,000. Parker will receive a matching value of $300,000. On a community rewards tier of 10%, which means Parker will receive 30,000 on community reward. Okay, rank and reward. We have 5 tiers of ranks ranging from VIP all the way to group director with a rank reward of 1 level all the way to 9 levels. So to qualify for rank VIP, all you need to do is get your smallest team sales volume at 30,000. You will be entitled to 1 level of rank matching bonus entitlement. Okay, so kindly note for rank 4 and 5, there's an additional pool bonus entitlement for our director and group director ranks. So you can also call this a global pool bonus entitlement. So all directors, if you're a rank director, all directors would be able to earn 1% of ROI's profit generated, and all group directors will be able to earn 2% of ROI's profit generated. So one more good thing about our rank and reward is for us at ILabs, there's no overlapping in rank earnings. And what I mean by overlapping in rank earnings is, example, I am a rank 2 VVIP, and below me, there's somebody at VIP rank. Okay, so even though somebody below me, okay, is earning 1 level, I am still earning my full 3 levels of rank matching bonus entitlement. Okay, so building bonus entitlement. So here is a chart of our 9 levels. So level 1, we go at 5%, all the way to level 9, 1%. So kindly note that the rank bonus percentage is based on matching bonus and not your total sales. So like I mentioned earlier, for director and group director ranks, you will be entitled to receive 1% and 2% of total ROI volume generated. An additional bonus for our director rank is you will have the privilege to achieve a 60-day trading with a 50-50% profit sharing arrangement on your designated trading platform. So very similar to what you saw during the live demonstration. Okay, all you have to do is link our bots API to your preferred trading platform, and then you will have a 60-day free trading. But again, at a 50-50% profit sharing. Now for group director, the privilege is extended to 365 days. Now with a profit sharing arrangement of 70-30, 70% to you, 30% to the company. Here's an example of the director bonus entitlement. So let's say ILabs earns or gets a total ROI volume for the month of 150,000. Parker will be awarded 3,000, which is 2% of the total ROI pool. Okay, so on to our wallet explanation. Within our system, you will be seeing these 6 wallets here. So the first one would be your deposit wallet, where you can track all your deposits and campaigns. The second is your withdrawal wallet, where you use to withdraw all your profits and bonuses. Third one is your profit wallet, where you can monitor all your ROI. The fourth one is the bonus wallet, where all your active bonuses, like your recommendation bonus, your community bonus, will all drop to the bonus wallet. Okay, so the last two, IL points and IL tokens. Okay, so IL points, basically you can use the funds within IL points to offset your ticket purchase. And then for IL tokens, utilities, we have, it's not launched yet, but the usage of it will be heading towards the direction of your everyday essentials, like your Grab points, Apple Card, Apple Pay card, things along this line. Okay, so for IL points, one more thing is you will be able to use it to exchange for your next ticket purchase, but at a 50-50 split. So as we have not launched the token utilities yet, the usage of IL points and tokens both can be used to redeem your next ticket purchase. Okay, so some points to take note. All profits and bonuses will be paid at 00 GMT time. All profits and bonuses will be accounted to your NAV. All profits and bonuses will be paid in ratios of 80% to USDT, 10% to IL points, and the other 10% to IL tokens. So IL points and IL tokens obtained from your profits and bonuses can be used to exchange goods and services of the equivalent value. At this current moment, you can use it to exchange for your ticket purchase. So no profits and bonuses will be paid once your NAV has reached 0. Participants must remember to always repurchase to ensure your NAV is sufficient for your profits and bonuses to be paid out. Strictly no appeals will be entertained for any loss of profits and bonuses if a participant forgets to top up their NAV. Minimum deposit and withdrawal is 50 USD, and all withdrawals will be processed in 1 to 3 working days. Okay, thank you very much. I've come to an end of the Icarus presentation. So do let us know if it's any do let us know in the chat if there's anything that you don't understand or you want to clarify about Icarus Labs.
Thank you so much, Ben. Thank you so much for the thorough presentation. So the chat is available and open for anyone who wants to shut down a question. I know a lot of you are going to ask questions privately. I want to just tell you what I noticed and what I see from the presentation myself. I'm not sure how many of us are really familiar with the space of cryptocurrency and everything that cryptocurrency consists of. However, the market is currently in a direction of what they would call a bull run. The whole space of the cryptocurrency is expecting, especially with Bitcoin halving upon us or on the way, expecting the direction to go up, up, and up again. Now, what I know from the demonstration that Ben would have showed us and what I know about the project thus far, whether or not the cryptocurrency price is going up, even when going down, the bots are developed in such a way for it to make money. I found that very interesting. And I found the demonstration interesting. The more I understood the whole arbitrage trading and the other way the other bots function. Now, it's important that you and I don't know none of this. You don't need to know, understand, or feel comfortable trying to learn all of this. You don't. What you need to know is how to submit your ticket to a campaign and how to withdraw your profits. That's how simple I see it. I want to withdraw the profits. That's it. So based on what I would have noticed, I want to use in a campaign, for example, the 10-day campaign is an average of 30% minimum to be received once you participate in that campaign. You could even receive up to 70%. If we participate in one of those campaigns per month, that's a 30% return on our capital. That's big money. That's big money depending on where you start as well. The average income on a monthly basis of 30% is high profit returns. So this is what I noticed. The whole concept of the regulations with the SEC, I also find fascinating regarding the transparency of this company and this project. So a lot was said. Yes, Ramona, a lot was said. It cannot all be unpacked just overnight. The learning curve with this opportunity will and needs to be short for me and you who especially wants to promote it. But learning it, we must. We will put out the video. There's a nice little introduction video. We will share that around in the groups. We will share the PDF as well. And we will absolutely do more and more Icarus Labs presentation as we begin to invite people into the concept that is. Now, we need until the 1st of March to really get all hands on deck and start to run extremely hard. But between that time of the 1st of March and now to the end of February is the learning curve and having all the situations fixed. And when I say situation fixed, maybe your maybe your capital that you have in ISE is not reflecting totally in Icarus Labs. We want to deal with these queries. Maybe the tree is not looking or structured the way it is. We want to deal with these queries. So we want to deal with all of this as we continue to build up this project. And we would just need some time between now and the end of the month to make sure that we have all our ducks in order. Let's say to you like this. So let me read other question. Okay. So a question was asked. I want to give an example. If you have 10,000, and I mentioned this on Monday, if you have 10,000 USD, yes, in the project, 10,000 USDT, I want to estimate based on the presentation with a 30% 10-day campaign, once you participate in one campaign per month, that at the end of 4 months, you have your 10,000 USDT and at least 20% profit back in your hands. Keep in mind, example, 10,000 can give and generate 35,000 in income. Once you achieve that 35,000 in income, you then need again to purchase a new ticket of 10,000. When you actually understand what took place, you have a chance in 1 year to make 250% return on your $10,000. You heard it correctly. In 1 year, you're going to make 250% return on your $10,000 if we look at a year period of time. It has the possibility to be shorter, but let's look at it at 1 year. At one campaign of 10 days per month, a fair estimation is 1 year to see your 35,000 if you're a passive investor and not introducing others to the network. I like this. I like this a lot, and I appreciate it. Are the funds in ISC is not generating any profits and bonuses. The funds have been shifted over into Icarus Labs. So the company would have put up a memo. So I asked everyone to read the memo again carefully to understand what's taking place. If you have profits or bonuses there, I believe they mentioned that they are transferring it into a token of theirs, which we can later benefit from. So friends, I want to close off this presentation this evening, and I want to thank you for your time. I want you to contact myself or any of the active uplines who are currently building the organization to help you get more information. And we're going to continue to have the conversation and bring more clarity to the whole transition that's taking place. When it's all said and done, that 10,000 you would have had in NSP Enterprises was not bringing a return in 1 year of 250%. So here we have an opportunity to earn income at a faster rate. Ramona, we could have a private conversation. That's not a problem. So, because I don't see anybody else writing any questions, and I want to keep the Zoom short so people could watch the replay. So definitely, the opportunity here is big. It's not small. So if you're ready to play big, you're ready to earn, you're ready to be excited, now is the time. Now is the time to get very, very excited. Um, Capital protection. Fortunately, there's not a capital protection design. The concept or the idea behind the project with the strategic partnership, or not partnership, with a strategic licensing or the green light from the SEC is one of the trusted methods or methods that we use of trust to talk about safety. But of course, there's no guarantee in business. But based on how the bot operates, based on the track record and the proven track record of history, it shows that your capital is in little to no jeopardy at all. And in a 4-month period of time, you may back at least your capital. So once you have your capital and a little bit of profit in 4 months, anything after that is praise the Lord. Let's say it to you like this. So people gain their capital back at a faster momentum and rate than they would have in our previous ISE bot system. All right. So we're still a part of artificial intelligence. We're still a part of the bot and the concept of, and we're still going to make income at a high level. So guys, I see one more question. Okay, regarding profits. Profits, what generated ROI is 100%. Once you generate profit, your ROI is 100%. If you generate network bonus from any of the bonuses that he spoke about, whether it's community bonus, a direct bonus, or leadership bonus, once you generate bonuses from there, then that's an 80-20 split. But the profit from the bot and the trading of the bot is 100% yours. All right, friends. So that's the list of the short of everything. We can have more and more further questions and conversations between us. I can tell you, Ben, I'm so excited about Icarus Labs and the bright future. And for those who really want to dive deep into this business, look up the word Icarus. Look up the history of what that word means and the symbolism that can be behind it if used properly. It, of course, like anything, there's danger, but there's also positivity. So it depends on how you yourself want to accept this challenge and this new development in your life. So Ben, thank you once more.
Thank you, Mr. King, for giving me the opportunity to share Icarus with everyone. So we just want to touch on the profits again. So for profits also right now it's 80 for profits, ROI profits is 80 10 10 2. Yeah, 80 10 10. Profits and bonuses.
For profits as well, is 80 10 10. I thought it was just for the bonuses.
Yeah. For profits as well. So the whole reason behind this is, again, we will be listing our tokens in the exchange. I would say within the third quarter of this year. So this will enable will give our investors more opportunity to earn an expanded or multiple times of their capital. It will let them get a return at a much faster rate, because the moment we list the tokens up into the exchange, we are very, very sure that the price will go up. So we're 100% sure that the price will go up. Why? Because we have a very, very strong tech and utility for that token.
Okay.
Yeah. So company wants to only give.
So the utility
so
of
company will only
would also be something like gas usage as well.
Yes, it can be used for anything within the ecosystem.
Okay, good. So there you go. You have it. You see, I'm learning with you guys as well. So the ROI and the bonuses is a 80-20 split as well. So what
Yes.
I can say is that you and I both believe that the return of investment will be coming a lot faster than some other people think, and more faster than I portrayed. However, I prefer to portray a longer vision for you guys. Let me tell you in 1 year, let me tell you in 4 months, and then if it happened in 2 months, God be praised. But let's work with that concept of 1 year. Let's work with that concept of 4 months. Let's work with developing, growing in the space, and the more you trust, the more you understand, and the more you do. Okay? So I think that's the gist of it. Any final closing thoughts, Ben?
I just want to share with everyone, this change is especially good for anyone who joins Secrets Lab. So why I say that? What gold did in 2 years, Bitcoin did it in 2 months. You can just, for those of you who are unfamiliar with cryptocurrency, you can just go to the history, check the history, the past 2 months, 3 months of Bitcoin. You saw how it went from 30 over 1,000 to right now it's 50 over 1,000 USD in 3 months. So this can only happen in the crypto space, not in Forex, not in commodities. All these take years to grow. It's a gradual growth, right? But for Bitcoin, for cryptocurrency, again, like Mr. King mentioned, this year is the crypto halving period. And right now, crypto is on the bullish market this year. So for Icarus, we want to ride along this bullish market and
Thank you so
maximize our profits.
Thank you so much. I'm looking forward to making that ride with you, brother. And we make profits for all the team members. So I want you guys to feel and understand that your capital with ISC that has been transitioned over to Icarus Lab is safe. You will make your income. Give yourself 4 months to at least get your capital back in hand. Then anything after that, glory, hallelujah. I say it to you like this. So, friends, thank you once again, Ben. Thank you so much. Thank you, Gabe. Thank you, everyone that's on the call.
Thanks.
I want to wish you guys a successful evening, and I want to continue to develop and work with you all. Let's build, let's focus, let's learn, and let's develop. This is the way we're going to be able to gravitate towards making big income. This is your humble servant, King James, wishing you a successful evening, a successful day, and a successful week to come. Winners out. Love you all. Ciao, ciao.